Welcome to Office 24 by 7. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through opportunity stages and pipeline setup, which are essential for tracking how opportunities move through your sales process. A well-structured pipeline helps your sales team stay organized, forecast accurately, and identify what's working and what's not. To get started, head over to your Sales module and select Opportunities object. Here, you'll be able to create custom fields, configure your pipeline, and define how opportunities flow from one stage to another. To create a new pipeline, click the vertical ellipsis on any column title. Here I'm clicking the vertical ellipsis against the column titled Contact Name. Now choose Add Column from the dropdown. Select Dropdown as the column type. Now give your new field a name. I will call it Opportunity Pipeline Stage. Next, choose a description type. No description, tooltip, or help text. Let's go with help text. Enter a short message as the description. I'm going with something like select appropriate stage of pipeline. If you want to make this field mandatory when creating records, check the Is Required box. Under Where to Display, choose where you want this field to be visible. We'll select all places to ensure it's shown everywhere. Filters, views, reports, and everywhere else. Finally, add your pipeline stages under field values. For example, prospecting, contacted, discovery, proposed, and closed. Click Save, and your pipeline is created. You will now see that the Opportunity Pipeline Stage field we created is displayed to the left of the Contact Name field in the panel. To arrange this pipeline field's position in the Opportunity panel, click and hold the column title and drag and arrange it to your preferred position in the layout. Now you'll see the Opportunity Pipeline Stage column appear exactly where you placed it. You will also see that at first the field will be empty for all records. To assign a stage, simply click the edit icon in the Opportunity Pipeline column for a specific record. For example, let's update an Opportunity Pipeline stage for AxiComms. Click on the Edit button in the Pipeline field against AxiComms, choose a stage, say Prospecting, and hit Submit. That's it. Your record is now tagged with the selected stage. Now let's check out another way to update the pipeline stage. Select a record by clicking the checkbox against it. Now click the Details button. This opens the Record Details panel. You can select the desired pipeline stage from this panel. For this particular record, I'm going with Contacted. Then hit Submit. Now you can see that the record has been updated successfully. By setting up a clear opportunity pipeline, you make it easier to track progress, manage follow-ups, and drive conversions. Each stage helps your team understand where a deal stands and what the next action should be. Start setting up your own pipeline today with Office 24 by 7.